To modify global site styles, such as colors, you would go under Style, Colors, and here you can adjust things such as the main color, which is used by a lot of elements, a secondary color, which is used by other elements, a success color, which is used for things such as buttons, an alert color, and the main typography, if you'd like. You can change that as well, and you can see that all the changes are reflected live. A heading color, and you can also adjust things such as link colors, the hover color for links, and a few other elements related to the e-commerce section. Now, one of the things to watch for is, for example, this main header still has the old color. That's because there's a background color overriding it. So you would go into the actual element itself and change that. And then once I publish this, this will reflect live on the website with this purple color.